welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time viewing one of my videos, my name is Elle Morgan, and on this channel I like to create fashion lifestyle content. So if you guys are interested in that, then make sure you guys subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on a new video from me. So let's get on to today's video. So today I am excited because I literally just got home not too long ago from work, and I had my Shein package waiting on me. I have a trip in about a week that I'm going on that I'm super excited about, and this is some of the stuff that I'm going to be taking with me. I'm going to give you guys like a good look at everything that I got. So this is the package that it came in, and I did already open it, but I hadn't like opened the individual packages yet. But also it came I have this box too, and I think this has my handbag in it, so we're going to open this first. And I don't have a box cutter, so we're going to use these scissors because I do not feel like going all the way back into the kitchen to get scissors out of this. So we're going to make it work. Ooh, okay. Okay, I like this. So this is the silver bag, and yep, and it just opens up like this, and it has the chain. Okay, so this is the yellow two-piece outfit that I ordered. Got a size large, and I think this is gonna work. Okay, oh, it's super stretchy. Oh, okay, real stretchy, and the skirt is stretchy too. Uh-oh, could I almost have went down a size? Wait a minute. I don't know, I'm gonna see what that looks like on. It has the ruffle detail, as you guys can see, giving very early 2000s detailing. Very summer vacation vibes. Oh yes, yes, this is the skirt. Ooh, I'm excited about this. Okay, oh, that's cute. Ooh, don't have that much stretch. Ooh, I don't know. I hope it doesn't give me any trouble, but that is so cute. Oh yeah. Okay, I really hope it doesn't give me any problems. I'm a little concerned. So we have another pair of earrings for you guys. So, oh Lord Jesus, but this is a cool design. Okay, and I got an extra large because that's what I've ordered previously, and that's worked out pretty well. Okay, this is cute. I feel confident that this is gonna work. It's always the boobs that I'm concerned about. I feel like the bottom is gonna be fine, but I don't have big boobs, so I don't. Okay, so this is the little skirt portion, and then it has the swimsuit here. And again, I feel okay about the bottom, but it's the top. I'm like, I don't know, but I do have these strings, so I should be able to make that work. I don't know what this is. Oh, okay, I remember. It's my blue light glasses. I almost forgot. I was like, I don't know what this box is. Oh yes, okay, so I got these anti-blue light glasses for when I'm looking at my phone and editing content, and for when I'm editing on computer, because I heard that was really good to have, because staring at your phone all the time and stuff, that starts to affect like your vision and things or something like that. I saw that somewhere. I've never had to wear glasses. Oh Lord, here she comes. Hey baby girl. Hey, remember I told you mom was filming a video real quick? Yeah, what's up? Yeah. Okay, so this is what the glasses are on. So, yeah. Okay, how about you open the one for daddy, okay? And then this dad has a package. So this is for dad. Okay, come here. Can you try to get up here? Okay. So we're opening this one up for dad.
I'll open this up.
You open it? Okay. So it's a two-piece outfit. Gentle touch, okay? Alright, so let's see.
So soft.
Yeah, so this is for dad. Hopefully he likes it. Alright, so this is the short, so we gotta hold the shorts up. It's just paper. Hold the shorts up so you can see the shorts. This is the shorts that it goes. And then we have the shirt. Show the shirt. You show the shirt? Okay. All right. Thank you so much. All right. Thank you, baby. Can you do that? Okay.
I want to be alone.
Okay. I'm coming right now. Okay. So I'm back. So these are the last two accessories I will share. So I got these. I thought these were fun. I like to get accessories that are like fun and like, you know, unexpected, I guess. I don't know. I always like to get things like that. I feel like it makes the outfit more fun. You can take a basic outfit and kind of, you know, level it up with just the accessories, especially when you have some fun ones. So got those. These are the silver pair. Oh, this is gonna be cute on, I hope. All right. Oh, it doesn't adjust. I might have to figure something out there. Cannot wait to try this on. But if it happens to be too big up here, what I think I will do is just cut it here and sew down the edges. But I'll probably sew it down and just adjust it like that to make sure everything is pulled up the way I would like. But ooh, so excited to try that on. No, these boobies looking kind of big. I don't think that's gonna work. But the bottoms is gonna work. The bottoms is gonna do what I need for it to do. But I might end up having to buy a solid swimsuit top to go with this. Dang, I can just tell, because my boobs are not that big. But I can adjust it, so that might help. But I don't want it to be a bunch of space, you know, like when you bend it over and stuff. Right? I don't know. I knew that was a risk, but it is what it is, and we're gonna make it work. All right, guys, so that's it for my Shein try on haul. I hope you guys enjoy it. And I hope you guys enjoyed our special guest here. But don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Check out all my social media networks down below. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one.